Welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for ways to increase your income, you're in the right place. Today, I'm sharing some of the best side hustles that can help you earn extra money, whether you're saving for something important, paying off debt, or just want more financial freedom. These side hustles are flexible, easy to start, and can fit into any schedule. Stay tuned as we break down the best ways to boost your income. Let's get started. 5. Turning your passion into profit. In today's fast-paced world, relying on a single source of income can be risky. The rising cost of living, unexpected expenses, and financial goals often require more than what a full-time job provides. That's where side hustles come into play. A side hustle is a flexible way to earn extra income outside your primary job. Whether you're looking to pay off debt, save for a big purchase, or increase your overall financial stability, a side hustle can be the perfect solution. One of the biggest advantages of having a side hustle is the potential to turn a passion into a source of income. Many people find joy in monetizing their hobbies, such as photography, writing, or crafting. Others look for opportunities that require minimal effort but provide consistent revenue, like renting out property or participating in affiliate marketing. The key is to find a side hustle that aligns with your skills, interests, and available time. 4. Freelancing and e-commerce. Flexible and lucrative opportunities. Freelancing is a popular side hustle that offers flexibility and scalability. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow skilled professionals to offer services such as graphic design, content writing, video editing, and programming. The beauty of freelancing is that you can take on as many or as few projects as you like, depending on your schedule. Additionally, as you build a reputation and portfolio, you can increase your rates and attract higher-paying clients. Another lucrative option is e-commerce. Selling products online through platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and Amazon can generate significant revenue. You can sell handmade goods, digital products, or even drop shipping items, where you don't need to manage inventory. With effective marketing and a unique product offering, an online store can grow into a steady source of income. 3. Gig economy and passive income streams. For those who enjoy sharing knowledge, tutoring and online courses can be an excellent way to make money. Teaching subjects like math, science, language, or music through platforms like VIPKid, Wizant, or Teachable allows you to leverage your expertise while helping others learn. The demand for online education continues to grow, making this a promising opportunity. The gig economy also offers various side hustles, such as ride-sharing, food delivery, and task-based services. Companies like Uber, Lyft, DoorDash, and TaskRabbit provide flexible work options where you can earn money on your own schedule. These gigs are ideal for individuals who prefer active, on-the-go jobs rather than sitting at a desk. Investing is another avenue to generate extra income. While it requires some initial capital and financial knowledge, investing in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrency can provide passive income over time. Real estate investments, such as renting out properties or airdrop posting, can be particularly profitable if managed well. 2. Content creation and digital marketing. Social media has also opened up countless opportunities for income generation. Influencers and content creators make money through sponsorships, brand deals, and ad revenue on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. If you have a unique voice, engaging content, or valuable information to share, building an audience can lead to substantial earnings. Affiliate marketing is another powerful way to earn passive income. By promoting products or services and earning a commission for each sale, you can make money with minimal effort. Many companies offer affiliate programs, and platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASL make it easy to get started. Blogging and podcasting are also great options for those who enjoy storytelling or discussing specific topics. With time and consistency, a blog or podcast can attract a loyal audience, leading to revenue from ads, sponsorships, and premium content subscriptions. 1. Unique and niche side hustles. Print-on-demand businesses provide an opportunity to sell customized products without managing inventory. Services like Printful, Redbubble, and Teespring allow you to design and sell items like t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases, with the platform handling production and shipping. Stock photography and videography can be a profitable side hustle for creative individuals. Websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images allow photographers and videographers to sell their work and earn royalties. High-quality, in-demand content can generate passive income over time. Virtual assistants is another growing field, where businesses and entrepreneurs seek help with administrative tasks, social media management, email handling, and scheduling. Platforms like Belay, Time It Ser, and Fancy Hands connect virtual assistants with clients looking for remote support. Event planning and organizing can be an excellent side hustle for those who enjoy logistics and creativity. Whether it's weddings, corporate events, or private parties, planning events can be rewarding both financially and personally. Offering services locally or online through social media marketing can help attract clients. Handyman services, such as plumbing, electrical work, or home repairs, can also provide a steady income. Many people prefer hiring independent contractors for minor repairs instead of large companies. Websites like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack make it easier to connect with potential clients. Pet sitting and dog walking are ideal side hustles for animal lovers. Platforms like Rover and Wag allow pet caregivers to offer their services to pet owners who need assistance. Taking care of pets can be enjoyable and profitable, especially in urban areas with busy pet owners. Personal shopping and styling services cater to individuals who need fashion advice or assistance with buying gifts. If you have an eye for fashion and trends, offering personalized shopping experiences can turn into a well-paying side hustle. Social media can be a powerful tool for marketing these services. Transcription and translation services are in demand, particularly with the rise of podcasts, video content, and global business interactions. Companies need transcriptionists to convert audio into text, and multilingual individuals can offer translation services for businesses and content creators. There are endless opportunities to earn extra income through side hustles. The key to success is consistency, dedication, and finding something that aligns with your strengths and interests. Whether you're looking for short-term financial relief or long-term wealth building, a side hustle can be a game changer for your financial future. With the right approach, you could turn your extra time into a profitable and fulfilling venture. That wraps up today's list of side hustles to boost your income. Which one are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tips on making and saving money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.